someone's bullying you, you tell someone. You tell your teacher, you tell your parents, you come tell me. And you keep telling someone until someone does something about it. Because bullies are not good.
What up, guys? So today we're going to be interviewing some kids, some students, yeah.
About pink shirts.
What's your name?
Ruby.
And what are we doing right now?
Pink shirt parade.
And what's Pink Shirt about?
Wait, what? Sorry.
And what's Pink Shirt Day about?